First step is to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. At that point, your right side should already be to the audience, and the step with the left leg is slightly longer. Also, you're going to reach with the left hand to the side slightly. That's a preparation before leading the lady's rotation. Shift your body weight to the right leg. Left hand goes between the two of you and above the lady's head. Back onto the left leg. Place your hands on the lady's back. Bend your left knee. Keep your back straight. Straighten your elbows, leading the lady into the dip. Then straighten your left knee and pull the lady out of the pose. And the lady's perspective. From the side steps, start to the right, aim with your right foot slightly diagonally toward the man between his legs, close to his left foot. Right, left to the side. Right between the legs of the man, left to the side. Make sure to stay on the man's right side, this will make rotating easier. Take the side step to the right, your right hand goes slightly up and to the right side. Step with the left leg. Getting on the left leg, rotate counterclockwise, face the man, your right hand stays slightly higher and on the right side, step to the right, rotate to end up with your right side to the man, right hand goes behind his neck, stay on the right leg getting into the pose, direct your hips up, chest goes up, tilt your upper body backward, bend your right knee, left leg is straight, it slides forward, lead the left hand to the side, rotate your head to the audience. Straighten your right knee, getting back to the vertical position. From that point, step with the left leg, rotate clockwise to the man, and one more side step away from him, opening to face the audience. Let's go back to the man's perspective. We're going to focus on the hands and on this last part. After the side steps, left hand goes to the side. Focus on leading the left hand between the two of you in such a way that the lady's forearm goes in front of her face. Your hand goes above her head, your connection is loose enough for the hands to slide on their surfaces, to adjust the grip and not to block the rotation. Whenever you're leading the rotation, focus on leading your hand exactly above the lady's head, not to pull her out of the axis of the rotation. During this particular rotation, slide your right hand slightly lower so it won't be in the lady's way. After the rotation, place it on her back, lower than before. Left hand leads the lady's right hand behind your neck, and then right away place it on her back higher than your right hand. Right hand moves closer to the lady's spine, support her back, and bend your knee, straightening your elbows, leading the lady into the pose, leading her upper body away from you, but your hips stay together. Avoid leaning over the lady, keep your back straight to create a counterweight. Use your hands to pull her out of the dip. Ladies, make sure not to lean on the man too much. You can hold on to him, but at the same time try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Stay on your right leg. Remember, this pose is not about him holding your entire weight. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3.